When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades have as much long-term impact as a well-installed door. In Murray, where seasonal weather shifts can be tough on home exteriors, the way your door is installed can determine how long it will last and how well it performs over time. Professional installation isn't just about getting the door in place. It's about ensuring durability, functionality, and peace of mind for years to come. Precision Fit prevents early wear. A door that's even slightly misaligned can lead to premature wear and tear. Gaps, uneven frames, and poor sealing allow moisture, dust, and drafts to creep in, which accelerates material deterioration. Professional installers in Murray use exact measurements and specialized tools to ensure the door fits perfectly into the frame. This tight, secure fit reduces stress on the hinges and lock, minimizing friction and extending the door's operational lifespan. Proper sealing and weatherproofing. Murray experiences hot summers, cold winters, and occasional storms, conditions that can warp or damage a poorly installed door. Professionals understand the importance of proper sealing and weather stripping. They use high-quality sealants and weatherproof materials that prevent water intrusion, block drafts, and protect against temperature extremes. By keeping moisture out, professional installation helps prevent swelling, rotting, or rusting, which are common causes of early door failure. Correct hardware installation. The durability of a door is heavily influenced by the quality and placement of its hardware. Hinges that are misaligned or screws that are too short can cause sagging, sticking, or difficulty latching over time. Experienced installers know how to choose the right hardware for the door's weight, style, and material. They ensure hinges, locks, and handles are securely fastened and balanced, so the door opens and closes smoothly without straining its frame. Reduced risk of structural damage. A door is only as strong as the structure that supports it. DIY installation or rushed work can damage the surrounding frame or weaken the wall where the door is mounted. Professional installers in Murray reinforce the surrounding frame as needed, ensuring the door remains stable under daily use and during severe weather. This extra attention to the supporting structure helps maintain the integrity of the entire entryway, prolonging both the door and the frame's lifespan. Material-specific expertise. Different door materials, wood, fiberglass, steel, have unique installation needs. Professionals understand how to handle each type to avoid stress points, cracking, or warping. For example, wood doors require precise handling to prevent splitting, while steel and fiberglass doors may need specialized tools and techniques for correct alignment. This expertise ensures your investment is installed in a way that maximizes its performance over the long term. Long-term cost saving. While professional installation might cost more upfront than a DIY attempt, it pays off over time. A properly installed door will require fewer repairs, resist environmental damage, and maintain its appearance longer. In Murray, where seasonal extremes can shorten the life of poorly installed doors, professional installation helps you avoid premature replacements, saving you significant money in the long run. Final thought. A door is more than just a way in and out of your home. It's part of your security, comfort, and curb appeal. In Murray, professional door installation is a smart investment that ensures your door not only looks great on day one but continues to perform for many years. With expert craftsmanship, precise fitting, and proper weatherproofing, your door will stand strong against daily use in the elements, offering long-term value and peace of mind.